Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should press here on the right side of the device the up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that you'll see here this bell icon. Just click here on the bell icon and switch it here, and you'll see that's all our calls and notifications that will be muted. So that means that will just activate successfully the silent mode. And if you wanna just turn off the silent mode again, switch it here to the regular bell icon, and now we can see that the calls and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.